Let's start with a simple story. My mom has been planning to move to the second small cottage house on my lot, and she recently told me her move-in date. She said often that she loves the cute, bright cottage so much. The cute, bright cottage has 40-year-old faded and peeling exterior paint. My goal is to have her cottage repainted a neutral color to increase my property's curb appeal. I have a budget, and I'm researching painters and paint brands now. I'm also learning about what makes a good exterior paint job so I can ask painters good questions, which will help me make a good decision. Cost estimates and availability dates have been coming in. To be safe, I've added 20% to my budget and 15 to 20% to the estimates that painters give on how long the work will take. I want to make sure the painting is completed before Mom's arrival. Once I have 5 to 7 estimates, I'll hire the painters that fit the project best. I'll work out the details with them, such as the terms, the schedule, payment plan, and who will buy the needed materials. When the work begins, I'll stick around to answer questions they may have and to make sure painters are using the right color, that they focus on the work at hand, and I'll stay strong and not give in to offers like, we can paint the garage for a little extra. I know that the neighbors will notice the project and will appreciate the change, but I wonder if Mom will be angry if she's not in the loop about this plan. If she is in the loop, will her constant advice derail the project? What would appease her? Perhaps I can talk to her about the actual move and what she might want to do with the interior of the cottage. I'll probably tell her of the paint job when it's done, and we'll create a new project with her of furnishing and decorating her cottage. This simple story is actually a pretty thought out project. We can apply the principles embedded in it to any undertaking in our lives, be it home improvement or guided pathways work. Projects usually have 5 processes: initiation, planning, execution, assessment, and iteration and closing. Projects also have elements. These are problem statement or goal, stakeholders, timeline, resources and cost, quality, communication, risk. The processes and elements create a matrix that can be used to define and plan our undertaking and to track its progress. In the story and with guided pathways, we have a specific goal and we know our stakeholders. We also know details of the goal and know when to talk to each stakeholder. We have information about the timeline and the budget. We also have considerations around ensuring quality, communication with stakeholders, and mitigating risk. Most projects benefit from careful and detailed planning and strategic communications with all stakeholders. So there you are, a simple story providing context for project planning that is relatable to our efforts in guided pathways. The Vision Resource Center serves as an excellent and vast interactive repository when you're ready to utilize tools to assist you in the project planning stages and beyond. By developing sound project management practices within our guided pathways framework, we can help create a sense of belonging for our students and move forward in our efforts to improve students' lives at the college and in our region. Your South Central Coast regional coordinators, collaborating with colleges in support of our students.